Hello and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Have another coffee review for you today. This is from the Trader Joe's Small Lot series, Brazilian Cachoeira da Grama. It says light roast, so that's great. Let's see if I can see any of this here. Hailing from Brazil's Vale da Grama, or the grassy valley, these unique yellow bourbon beans are carefully hand-harvested, then fermented not once, but twice. First in open tanks and then in closed barrels. So that sounds cool. This innovative double fermentation process brings about the perfect balance of acidity and sweetness, and the light roast that follows unveils lively notes of dried fruit and orange. All right, we have some water going. Let's see if that is true. I like light roast. I like double fermentation. When it says yellow bourbon beans, I believe that's the variety type. Okay. That's a light roast, all right. I can hear my water is starting to boil, so we're gonna weigh this out, grind it up, and give it a taste. Stick around, give this a review, a score at the end. Weighed out about 50 grams of coffee for this Bodum French press. Definitely get some orange notes off of there. Orange, caramel, maybe a little bit of milk chocolate. All right, we will let that brew for a few minutes, pour it up, give it a taste and a score. A little bit of baking spices on the nose, some wood, maybe cedarish. I have to put my mic back on. Hope you could hear that. Wood note, cedar-like. A little baking spice on the nose. Let's give it a taste. Okay, wow. My family often has the chocolate covered oranges you kind of smash apart into pieces at Christmas time. There's a little note of that type of orange along with the chocolate. A little more milk chocolate than dark chocolate. The candies we have is more of a dark chocolate, but this is like that same experience but with a milk chocolate. A lot of fruit notes. I love fruit notes. A little bit of white grape, a little bit of cherry. There's that cedar in there. It implied that there was low acidity because of the double fermentation. There's definitely acidity in here. This is a little medium plus on the acidity. I love acidity. Some people avoid it in coffee. I think it adds a lot to the flavor profile. You know, I recently did that 100% Blue Mountain, which was such a smooth, that was grade 1, such a smooth coffee. This is a very different coffee. This is enjoyable. I wish that the Blue Mountain had a little more fruit. This almost has too much fruit. It's like a little confusing because it's like white grape, maybe a little citrus, orange, cherry. It's like a fruit salad. But it's very good coffee, very good. All right, thinking about a score on this, definitely in the 8 range. 8.7. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have this. This is a limited time coffee. It's all the way on the other end of the kitchen, so I'm not getting it and can't remember the name off the top of my head. But this Brazilian small lot will only be at Trader Joe's for a few months. So go find it if you have one in your area. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment, all that business. Most importantly, pray, hope, don't worry, and drink coffee.